Aloha guys, this is Scuba Chris. I just recently found a new action camera that there is no review on YouTube on. It is by Alan Teitel. He is a 2D and 3D slow-mo Emmy Award winner, two-time Emmy Award winner. And he put out his own brand of camera, Alcove. And I'm going to give this a try. He was nice enough to send it to me. I'm going to be the first one to review it. And I'm going to be putting it through the paces, going out fishing during nighttime, see how light refraction is. We're going to be going during the day, see how the light refracts off the water as compared to sand. And I'm going to give it a try. So as you can see, it comes in kind of like a GoPro style box. All right, so we're gonna see. We're gonna pull this out. Now the camera is in this housing here, which is a underwater housing. Alrighty, so let me see now. If it's like everything else I own, you'll flip up over here. There we go. All right, slowly pry open the back, because you got the O-ring seal. Okay, there's your unit. So this is your AlcovePro 4K Cine. Alrighty, it obviously comes with your Scuba underwater housing. So let's go take this apart, see what we got in here. Alrighty. Let's see. We have a watch. It's your remote control. You use a one of the old style standard adapters, and you can power it up through the back here. So you can, put this on and you can trigger your unit on what you want to do. Your USB-C cable. Hey, it comes with an extra battery, and there is, well, let me check first. There should be a battery inside the case, and there is. So it comes with an extra battery, and you already have a battery inside. So that's pretty cool. Don't have to spend that much money. Comes with an outer bracket, battery charger for 2 batteries. Some cloth, the 3M tape sticky backs with the wire lanyard. Looks like some wrist mounts. Cap. This is great. Most of these type of action cameras are just going to have some wind noise problems, so you have to have a dead cat fuzzy lavalier system, and normally you have to buy that. This one actually comes with it. That's pretty good. It actually comes with it, so that should save you some bucks right there. Wow, that's a extra door for your housing mount. Okay, so it comes with an extra door. Okay, another GoPro style clip and another handle clip. Hey, that's pretty good. It comes with all of that. So you just have to go ahead and take off all the plastic, and there's some plastic protecting the lens here too. Should be some power in this battery. There it is. So as you can see, there's some power there. It says no SD card in it, so we're going to have to put an SD card in it. It comes with an instruction sheet on what type of card to use. I believe the battery power was 1.5 to 2 hours, depending on the types of information you plug into it, like GPS, whatever. So let me go take a look at that again. Every unit has its own unique sound, like E-lights, on-reels, when you turn it off and on. These are the sounds generated by this unit. Okay. And you can see the lights on. This is the sound it makes when you turn it off. You know what? When I have a GoPro, I just bought a 6 Black, and I had to pay almost $80 for my Lavalier system, which is pretty much this, you know. So what it is an external mic with your phone over here. So you clip this to your collar, you put this into the side over here to the access door of your unit. So this way you don't get the wind noise, okay? And you got to pay extra for that. But on this one, it comes with it. This, I had to pay $75 plus shipping on my GoPro, but this actually comes with it. Okay, the AlcovePro has 2 external mics instead of 1. You have 1 port right there, and you have another port right there. So that's 2 ways of improving the sound quality. But on days like today where there's a lot of wind, we're going to use the Lavalier system. Okay, the external Lavalier system, you just plug the cord in on the side. Now, units like the on-reel or the Ye-Light has a micro USB system. So the micro USB system will not allow a external mic on, but this camera will. So you have, it comes with the cord with your mic at the end. Now, a lot of systems like this, you're gonna have to pay extra for the cord system, but with the AlcovePro, it actually comes with it. Alright, right now I'm using my Lavalier system. I have it connected to the camera. Extra cord, I got it in my pocket, and it's clipped off to my shirt collar. See how this works. Okay, I'm using the Lavalier system. This is the external mic that comes with the AlcovePro. The AlcovePro already has 2 external mics on the main body. So we're gonna try the external mic. Just gotta make sure that we avoid some of the simple dangers around here. My main concern is wind noise. Now I have the unit, the mic unit, just under my chin, connected to my shirt. So I'm speaking directly to that. And what I'm hoping is going to happen is going to cut out a lot of this wind noise. But I'm not sure how this is going to sound until I get back home and hook it up on the computer. So let's head on back. I'm facing directly into the wind, so I'm forcing the wind to have an influence on the recording. See how it's going to come out. Okay, I'm back at Chocolate Beach. We had a huge windstorm end a few days ago. The winds were up to 60 miles an hour. So this place
showing some damage, mostly fallen trees, branches in the water, and some areas where you just have to exercise a little bit caution. I'm trying out the new AlcovePro action camera. So right now, this camera has 2 ports in it, external ports for external mics. So we're kind of giving a test, not only on stabilization, but on the sound quality. Can't get away from a lot of wind noise, so we're going to try to work on that today.